Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Wahl Professional 5-Star Series Rechargeable Shaver Shaper 8061-100, up to 60 minutes of runtime, bump-free, ultra-close shave. If you don't believe me, try it for yourself, then you decide what it does for you. Purchased 2 in a matter of a few months, and both of them stopped charging and turning on out of nowhere. The red light comes on when it is plugged in, but the shaver does not turn on. Now the charging light comes on when it's plugged in, but the shaver does not turn on. Shaver does not cut well around chin and jaw. It takes several passes to get a smooth shave. He finds it way easier to maintain his beard than other brands he has tried before. This device makes things that much easier for a man that wants to keep a clean shave. One of the nicest shavers he has purchased, and he has purchased a number of different brands, and has never been satisfied till now. If anybody knows of a razor that can shave closer than this, please message me. If you're looking for an easy to clean, close dry shaver, this is your best bet by far. It does a good not great job on trimming the facial hairs, about 90 effective. Does not even come close to giving you a shave. You're lucky if you get a small trim. It misses so many hairs, no matter how hard you press it won't get them. One side looks good, where the other looks like a cat clawed me all over. The price on this shaver was not much more than a couple bronze screen replacements. However, after reading the owner's manual sheet, Wahl recommends replacing the screen every 6 months. It didn't matter whether the hair was short, or long, wet, or dry, nothing but painful pulling every time. Purchased as a Christmas gift, and recipient was pleased with the product and quality of shave received. They cut well, handle good, and keep a very strong charge for a fair amount of time. Much better suited as a barber tool for doing bald fades and styling along those lines. The shave is okay, but gets dull quickly, and the replacement head cost is as much as the unit. At the end of the day, they are all the same units in another package. It's unfortunate that such a good razor only lasted long enough for me to truly love it. Any razor head is more challenged to clean out, but this one isn't too difficult. Bought a new charger, and it works plugged in, but not relying alone by its battery. It has a very powerful motor, sharp blades, and is ideal for those with coarse hair on their face or head. Its only fault, and a small one, that is it's loud. Sounds like a 2-cycle lawnmower, and on a hard surface it'll vibrate and move about like a drunken hamster. The feel of it, the large area it covers, the comfort, the closeness, the majority of neck hairs it gets. You can feel it's a well-made shaver. The only thing is, you have to be very careful not to press down too hard, or you can break the screen. But when it was time to charge, it would not charge, nor would it work with a cord. Instead of getting a replacement head, he's asking for a whole new razor since it doesn't charge when plugged in. This shaver does the job very well, and at this price you can't go wrong. There are so many shavers out there with gimmicks, but there is no need for them. It is very powerful, and after a few weeks it gives me a quick close shave. He loves them. Says he has no idea how he cut his hair without them. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.